Alright, working on the driver's door here. This is where I welded the extra material on. And I've ground it down. I've got the right, pretty much the right shape. I also worked on it over here on this one. Got a little bit more sanding to do there. I'm going to put some more primer on it. We'll go ahead and block the other side. Okay, this is the outside of the door where the lock and the door handle is. And that's the side I welded up. Looking pretty good there. I welded up the holes for the old side mirror. And the new ones will be located up there. And I also got this area cleaned up. Get some primer on there. We'll keep moving along. It had the original epoxy primer coat from when I had it media blasted, and I hadn't done anything to it at all. And it looked good, but you know how it is once you start block sanding, it looks like crap. So anyway, it's got a skim of mud on it where it needed it. And I resealed it with epoxy primer, and it is just about ready to put the primer surfacer on. So this will be the first coat of that I'm putting on, and then when we block that, we'll know where we're at. It looks pretty close. Well, it's been about a half hour since I gave this thing 2 coats of primer surfacer. This is the driver's door, and it's amazing when you look at it. It looks absolutely perfect, but as soon as you start block sanding, you'll probably see some minor imperfections. I think I got it pretty good, but I gave it 2 heavy coats of primer surfacer. I'm not going to have time to deal with it today. My goal was to get the worst of the body work done on it, to get it back in a good primer. Get it back on the car because I got a little work on that rocker panel to do. Right there, I got a little work to do on that to make it match the door. Just got the door back on. And you see this gap is looking real good. Now the front fender is not tight, so it's not completely tight and adjusted, but this gap is looking much better. I had to add a little material, or remove a little material and add a little material there. Looks pretty good. So, one more thing done.